Hello, I'm Elliot Murphy with Olivier Daron on La Jungla Sonora on ETV, Eru, Kaisa. Let's get it, let's go. One.
Tell me, where do these years go? And my regrets, do they show? In my eyes, in my tears. Oh, and you, always so near. And you, always so near. Tonight the moon is full and low. The cars they pass and then they go. Heading home for a lover's call. Oh, and me, am I going any place at all? Oh, and me, am I going any place at all? They say if you're perfect, you can't be loved. We fight safe, we play it rough. Fight it out and try to let go. And then try not to be the last one to know that he who wins today might lose tomorrow. So tell me, where do these years go? If I could do it again, you know, I'd be more kind, I'd be more true. I'd do anything I could do just to please you. I'd do anything I could just to please